Now let's walk on this dock. See, can you see that? This is too risky because I don't know how to swim. What's your name? Wow, I want to touch. Okay, there is one pro flying over here. How will I going to go this now? Wow. Actually, when I was here in Ennore Beach, I forgot to explore one place. The name of the place is ETPS Pier. So right now I'm going there. Otherwise, I would feel regret forever for my life. So that's why I'm coming here again. I'm booking the same cab, not same cab, different cab, but the same company, Rapido. And I'm coming here to walk on the top of this ETPS Pier. I will show you in a moment. That is where I want to walk again one more time. Now let's walk on this dock. See, can you see that? This will be so interesting now. I don't want to leave this place without walking on this. But this is going to be a very true, very amazing. Okay, let's go down now. Go here. And here. Okay, wow! So beautiful. Before I go climb up, let's see the view. Right there, I'm gonna go up. Okay. This is too risky because I don't know how to swim. Okay. Wow. Wonderful. Wow. Wow. So feeling so good. It's second as well. The stair is second, but I'm not second. I'm enjoying. So good. Let's go. Only few more steps, and boom, done. Hello Anna, how are you? You're catching fish. Fish, machali. Acha. Wow. Can I see? Whoa. You're catching so many fish. I can see one tilapia. Wow. So beautiful here. Wow. Hello brother. What's your name? Karan. Acha. How many fish have you caught for today?
Big fish.
Big fish. Let me see. Again. Wow. So you're catching this for eating, for selling, market, bazaar. I'm saying, खाने के लिए or okay, खाने के. I thought you're getting this for selling. Yeah, that's very good because that looks so delicious. Wow. Okay. Good luck. Good day. What a wonderful kid. He doesn't understand English. Also, I'm not speaking English very good. I'm so happy here because on this fire, I wanted to walk all the time. Now let's walk. Here, up to the tip point. Okay, I will not stop recording this one until I reach that tip point. Wow. The name of this fire is called ETPS Pier. This is, I don't know, on the Ennore Beach or nearby Ennore Beach. Okay, I'm getting this one and I will keep this as a souvenir from the ETPS Pier Ennore Beach. Wow. Wow, so good. Wow. They're catching. Okay, let me climb one of these things. Oh. Okay, there is one crow flying over here. Wow, so beautiful. Whoever made this fire is genius. Very brave, very strong, very skillful. Wow. Hello Anna, hello brother. Hi. You're catching fish? Okay, okay. Wow. So good. Now I'm standing on the tip point of the fire and watching three brothers, three Anna is catching fish. Wow. He's very brave because he knows how to swim, but I don't know how to swim. Wonderful. I'm making vlogs. I'm living my life by making vlogs. They're living their life by catching fish. Same, different. What a beautiful world we live in. We all have different professions, different goals, but in the end, we're all same. Beautiful. Fresh fish only. Wow. What's the name of this fish? The name? Simpare. Simpare. This looks so delicious.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so beautiful. Looks so delicious. I thought this is tuna, but this is. Please tell me the name again. I forgot.
Sambore.
Sambore. Okay. Oh, so you're using the prawn as a clickbait. Wow.
Yes.
I want to see you. You're catching one fish. Let's see. And I'm sitting here waiting for your getting a new fish. Fresh one. I've not got a new one here. And is getting a new one. Can you see that? Freshly caught. Oh, you got a new one. Acha. I did not see this. Wow. So Anna, you are catching this fish mostly for eating or for selling? Wonderful. This is Missy.
Wait.
Yeah. I want to see you this time. You are catching a new fish. So you are doing this every day? Every day? Every day. Oh, did you get a new fish? Okay. We have to try again.
Very carefully.
Yeah, very good. Wow, you're speaking English very nicely. Wow, very carefully. Okay, let's try one more time.
Again try.
Again try. Try again, try until you get succeed. Okay, the fish are playing smart. Okay, he got a new one. But I want to see you getting caught fish. You. Brother, this fire is on the Ennore beach, right? Ennore.
Yeah,
Ennore.
thermal power station.
Yeah, let's try our luck now. Come on, fishing. Hit the stream. No luck. Let's try again, one more time. Okay, oh, you got a new one. It's small. Wow. Wow, it's a very beautiful, beautiful fish. Small, but at least.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah.
Live fish.
This is very beautiful. Wow. I want to touch. Also, it's gonna be a very delicious, yummy. Wow. Okay, brother, I'm going now. Have a very good. Okay, have this biscuit. You three share it together.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye bye. I'm from Manipur, brother. Yeah. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place. You should come one day to Manipur.
Just for visiting.
Yeah, just for visiting. I'm coming to your state. You should come to my state.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going now. Yeah, thank you. Oh, very beautiful people. They are fishing, but they are still speaking English. That's the beauty. Actually, I don't speak English very well as well. But you know, I have already told you, if I speak my native language, you might not understand. That's why I'm trying to collect all my strength, courage to speak English, so that many of us could understand what I'm trying to say. Wow, what a beautiful day. Now, I'm going to go that staircase, so it's gonna be a little bit challenge again. Okay, let's go. Dear Lord, when I get to heaven, please let me bring my woman. Bonnie, lighter. I did not bring my lighter. I forgot. Do you want to smoke? I'm sorry, brother. I did not bring lighter today. I forgot. Kept at my home. But if you want to drink water, you can drink. Water. Okay. You don't drink water. You want to smoke only. Okay, I'll drink water because I'm thirsty. Okay, I'm going now. I don't want to disturb them. Okay. Now I'm going to go this now. How will I'm going to go this now? Wow. This is going to be a little bit challenging. Okay, let me. Everything. Okay. Now we can go down. I was zipping my pocket. Wow, so good. Okay, I want to take a video right here. Great, so good. I'm crawling down because I'm holding the camera. I'm using only one hand, like this way. Okay, almost there. Okay, finally done. Accomplished mission. Okay, easy peasy. Now my driver is waiting for me, and I will go to a place called Jaya Lalita Memorial Museum. I'm going there now. Oh, wonderful. Hello, brothers. You're making videos. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, you're making videos or real?
Where are you from?
I'm from Manipur.
Manipur.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
My native state.
Yeah, it's this place. Did you born there?
No.
Okay.
Chennai already.
You're born here in Chennai, Tamil. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go, brothers.
Okay, bye.
Have a good day. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Bye.
Enjoy the sea beach.
Your name?
My name is Rishi. Okay. They were making films, shorts, videos, I don't know. But they are happy. That's the most important part. Okay. Before I go, I'll go to that place one more time, one last time, then I'll go. Ah, brother. Yeah, for tourist purpose. Oh my god, yeah. Damn it. I'm a blogger. Okay. Now I have to walk here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, look how beautiful is the fire. I want to take this fire from this angle. So beautiful. Okay. Bye bye now. I'll go. I'll show you a picture. One of the pillar has already broken. The same place I was sitting down. Ah, so funny. See. Already